Hi, this is the Cooking Elf. The leprechaun asked me to do this. He saw a video on YouTube for strawberry milk that got 12 million views. He was amazed. The recipes we saw took strawberries and mixed them with sugar and heated them in a pan. Then milk was added. Some recipes just cut up strawberries and added sugar, then blended that with milk. No cooking. We tried them. They were not good. So we made a very simple strawberry milk that tastes better than store-bought or what was online. He asked me to mix Walmart strawberry pie filling with milk, and that's what we're doing. I poured the can of strawberries in a bowl and started to stir and break up the strawberries some. Please, before you judge like I did, wait until you hear the nutrition and taste comparisons and give it a try. First, we compared it to Nestle strawberry milk, which is nothing at all in the ingredients that mention strawberries. So all the strawberry taste has to be artificial, unlike ours. Ours was actually better for you. We will break down the calories and price as we go along. It's simple, easy, and surprisingly good. It's the best strawberry milk I've ever had. I always prefer and highly recommend Walmart brand. The taste is only as good as the ingredients, and Walmart's is the best we've tried, and the price is great. I transferred the strawberries to a measuring cup so that it would be easier to pour. I know what you might be thinking. Who puts pie filling in milk? But it's actually around the same calories as strawberry Nesquik without the additives. A 14-ounce bottle of strawberry Nesquik is 250 calories, or 18 calories per ounce. Our version is 300 calories for 14 ounces, or 21 calories per ounce. But what is surprising is that ours is also healthier for you. Hershey's strawberry milk is 40 calories more than ours for 2 ounces less. And again, no strawberries to be found, but it too has artificial flavors. Nesquik contains low-fat milk, sugar, calcium carbonate, cellulose gel, natural and artificial flavors, Carrageenan Galenian gum, cellulose gum, citric acid, salt, red 3, vitamin A palmitate, and vitamin D3. That's a mouthful of ingredients that I can barely pronounce. While the strawberry pie filling only contains strawberries, water, sugar, food starch modified, or pretty much cornstarch, natural flavors, citric acid, red 40 color, which in recent years has been replacing the red number 3. Let's add the 1.5 to 2 cups of 1% milk according to taste. The 1% milk we used has the same vitamin A palmitate and vitamin D3. You're still getting your vitamins in our versions without artificial flavor or additives and actual real strawberries. Then just stir the milk for a few minutes until it's all mixed in. Here are a few of the other strawberry brand milks that we've compared ours to. I'm going to pour it into my glass and give it to the leprechaun cameraman as it was his idea. I had leftover strawberries, so I added them into a glass before trying it myself, and I was surprised how good it actually was. I know this seems ridiculous, but you gotta try it before you knock it. It is the best strawberry milk I've ever had. As for price, our cost is 61 cents for milk and $2.62 for strawberry pie filling. This made about 4.5 cups or 36 ounces of strawberry milk. Our price is $1.29 for 14 ounces. Nesquik costs $1.36 for 14 ounces. So ours is 7 cents cheaper with no artificial ingredients, and it tastes better. Thank you for watching. I consider this an elf info video as opposed to a recipe. Please stay tuned for more real recipes coming soon.